So there are other examples that I can walk you through, which is again in the field of travel and leisure and entertainment, and also in the field of telco. But the approach is same. It's about bringing in the big data perspective from a social media analysis, from sentiment analysis perspective, to ensuring that new business opportunities are uncovered. So I would rather skip those slides. I'll straight away take you to my summary slide and ensure that I have enough time to for questions. So you will see here on your screen a kind of summary slide which talks about big data business model maturation index. So on one side of what you see here, various kinds of analytics that can be done. So one can do operational analytics, predictive analytics, prescriptive. So there are various ways you can look at analytics differently. But on the other side, what you are seeing is how the maturity of analytics, the application of analytics has improved. So from pure business monitoring to ensure that you get business insights, to ensure that your business is optimized, and then your data is monetized, and then to the extent of transforming your whole business, or identifying a totally new source of competitive advantage, or ensuring that your total business model gets changed is what companies are looking at. So some of the examples that I talked about today, whether it's bank or insurance, is all about moving from simple business monitoring to business transformation. So for many companies, this journey is quite exciting, quite challenging, and the evolution path is very different for different companies. There are banks which have embraced big data technology, almost wholeheartedly, and then they ensure that through various processes they understand what they can do better. So for some, this process takes a lot of time. Some of the traditional large organizations will take time to understand how to ensure that your data monetization or business transformation happens. So they may have a lot of groundwork to do before they do that. For example, in insurance companies, they do a lot of data lineage and data cleansing work before they can even think of monetizing the data or transforming their businesses. So the journey is very different for different enterprises, but it's a very exciting journey. It's a journey which promises the fulfillment of the original promise of technology, which is to ensure that business gets transformed for the better. So this is a summary, a nutshell of what I wanted to talk about today. I've taken maybe 40 minutes. So as I promised, I'll stop here and then I'm ready to take questions.
Hello, Srinivasan. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, Radhana. I'm waiting for the questions.
Yes, sorry, there was some technical glitch. I was not able to get through to you. And first of all, I would say thanks for the insightful presentation, Srinivasan. I would request you to read out the questions and their answers so that all our users may listen to your insights. So
Okay.
you would be able to see the questions right about now. Are you able to see them?
Yeah, I can see there's a question which asks, what are the tools available in the market to store and analyze big data? So the answer to that is there are a lot of